In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the license plate light bulb on your 2011 to 2014 Hyundai Sonata. And then at the end of the video, I'm also going to show you a comparison between regular bulbs and a white LED bulb. So let's go ahead and get started. Open the trunk. Now, right about the license plate there, that's where those two lights are. 1 and 2. Now, in order to take the light out, we got to take those two screws off. And for doing that, we are going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. It looks just like that. So align the screwdriver with the screw there and start twisting it left. Now, if your screwdriver is slipping, like mine is over here, the trick to fixing it is to push down on the screwdriver and then twist it left. That should solve the problem. Once you start getting the screws out, go ahead and get both those screws out. And be careful that you don't lose them. Those screws have a tendency to fall and get lost. So once you get them loose, get them out, put them in a safe place. And once you do that, the light should just come right outside the trunk. Now we need to get the bulb holder out of the main light assembly, out of the lens. In order to do that, that's the bulb holder there, the gray part. We need to twist it left. So just grab it like I am and just twist it left. Just so slightly, and then the bulb holder should just come right out. Mine has a LED light, but it's the same process. If you have a regular bulb, the way to get the bulb out is to grab on the bulb and wiggle it. It should come right out, but if it does not, just wiggle it and then pull it out. Be patient, it takes some time. Now if you're going to replace with the regular bulb, just get the bulb, align it with the bulb holder there and push it in. It just wedges in there. Same thing if you're gonna upgrade to a white LED light, same process, align the bulb over there with the bulb holder and push it in place. Just like that. Now, once you've changed the bulbs, all we need to get the light assembly, the lens, back. And before we do that, make sure that green ring over there, the O-ring, it's on the bulb holder. Make sure it's not dropped somewhere, you don't lose it, because that prevents water and moisture from getting in there. Now align the bulb holder with the lens there. Make sure it sits flush just like that. And then twist it right to lock it in place. Done. Just like that. Now we're going to put the light back into the trunk and make sure it's aligned the way it is in the video over here. And when you're putting the light back in, make sure you don't pinch the wires that's back there. So before we go ahead and put the screws, let's look at like which holes do we need to align. So there's those holes on the light assembly with the holes on the metal clip that's in the trunk back there. Those holes need to be aligned before you put the screws back on. It gets a little bit tricky, so hold the light with your one hand and then put the screws in. Put one screw in, tighten it a couple turns, and then get the other screw, tighten that a couple turns, and keep on doing that process back and forth till the light bottoms out. Now, when you're tightening it, you want to make sure that you don't over tighten it. You do not want to break the light. It's a plastic piece, so do not over tighten it. Just make sure it's snug. Now I'm going to show you the same process for the left side light. And this one is a little bit easier because this one has some more length to the wire back there, so you have some more space when you're trying to get the bulb holder out. But it's the exact same process. When you're putting the light back in, make sure again you don't pinch the wire. And just put that light back in, tighten the screws, and that's it. We're done. Now let's compare the lights. That is original yellow lights. Now let's see what it looks like with one white and one yellow. There you go. See the difference right there? And now let's go ahead and just swap the lights and just have two LED lights. And there you are.